Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So the HBAR chart continues to grind just sideways but above support. However, also below the breakout point that's indicated by the green line here. Yeah, we're dealing with a sideways, I would say triangle. I mean, price action like this often allows for the interpretation of a triangle because yeah, I mean, the problem is that in a triangle you have a lot of different microstructures which change frequently because we're dealing just with corrective patterns, yeah. And price action just follows kind of the price action that we very often see in triangle patterns. So it's corrective movements, movement in three-wave structures, contracting form, so higher lows and lower highs. All of that is visible at the moment. I see a very, very high likelihood for a change in microstructure. So, I mean, can I guarantee that this B wave has bottomed here? And we're now in the D wave? No, because one more low would easily invalidate it, but would not invalidate the overall idea of a triangle. So it could be that in the white count, the C wave isn't even finished. It could easily get another low, and then maybe another higher low, and then another lower high and another higher low to complete wave 4. And the wave 4 would be the bullish scenario. So the white count is bullish. It might just need kind of another higher low, another lower high, okay, to complete. And then this E wave could be completed. Now, there is a way to call this triangle already complete. Yeah, I could do that. It's just there's no evidence it is completed, and it would look best with another move down, I would say, in wave C, even though not absolutely needed. So in the white count, which is the short-term bullish one, we have a wave A, we have a wave B. Wave C might still be unfolding as an A, B, C structure. Then we could get another D, E before we go up. Now, that said, there is also a way to count a triangle from a bearish point of view. It counts slightly worse, I would say. In this scenario, we completed wave A of a triangle on the 24th of December. The B wave, this is the thing, where did the B wave finish? Maybe the B wave is even still unfolding due to that slightly lower low. Then there could be a C wave afterwards, another D wave. And you see, it will be hard to distinguish, difficult to distinguish between orange and white counts. It really will depend on the actual breakout point. And overall, I mean, please note that in triangles, let me just shift all of that here. So please note that in triangles are indecision patterns. They are patterns of indecision. And the market itself has no idea what it wants to do. So it's about understanding, acknowledging that indecision, understanding what does that mean for your portfolio. You might rather want to not, engage in attractive trades potentially, as long as we are in an indecision phase, because why would you make it more difficult than it needs to be? Yeah, if the market doesn't even know what it wants to do. But you can also see that from a technical analysis point of view, the levels are being respected perfectly. I mean, just look at this support area, which has been with us since the market topped in December, early December. We had 1 reaction, 2 reactions, 3 reactions. Yeah, you could even call that a reaction here on the 31st of December. So I think we need to be a little bit more patient. I can easily argue that in the white scenario, we are still in the C wave. The white count, by the way, is the bullish one. And even in this scenario, we have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in the white count. And then in the C wave, we could easily even get another low, yeah? I mean, so probably like that. Yeah, probably like that. Even in the C wave, let me just think. Yeah, that would be wave C of C. We could easily get one more low, okay? So zooming in a little bit, you can see that this move up is very, very choppy and overlapping. So yeah, one more low might be likely. Wave C, in wave C, is a 5-wave pattern. So if we want to dive into the messiness of micro counting, I think it is possible to call this a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. I mean, I could also call it complete technically, right? But it's obviously not in any way reacting impulsively yet to the upside. So we have to be ready. This could just get one more low. When would I stop to watch for one more low? In this internal C wave. I'm only talking about really the micro area right now. Well, it shouldn't really give us a break above the 50% retracement. In other words, any break above that 29.45 cent level would suggest something more bullish is playing out. Well, bullish means maybe we're already in the D wave of the triangle, right? It wouldn't really be really bullish, probably not. But main takeaway is we're in a triangle. I see a high likelihood of change in wave patterns. There is some, even within the triangle, we can identify key levels, right? Which we do. 23 cents is still key support. And to the upside, the 33.9 cent level is a very important breakout point. Any break above could send us to the next upside levels at around 38 cents. Yeah, and then 48 cents. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.